What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency once again. In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin as well as Veracity because I know you guys are a fan of Veracity. Let's start off with a weekly time frame with the exponential moving average. We are still above it, okay? So things are looking fine on the longer time frame. But if we have a look at the daily time frame, guys, okay? If we have a look at the daily time frame and we zoom out a little bit, okay? Because zooming out on the daily time frame or on the weekly, it's the same. Okay, we are in this channel right here. This is the channel, okay, and we are currently in this channel, which is not the best channel ever. And I did mention that we did see a rejection, and I said I would only turn bullish again if we were to break above this level. And as you guys can see, we peaked at 50,000 and we got rejected. So not only did we get rejected right here, we got rejected right here and essentially right here. So we had three rejections right here, which turns essentially into a trend line or a downwards trend line, okay? So in my opinion, until we break this trend line, I don't see Bitcoin going any further up to the upside. So can we see essentially Bitcoin come back all the way to 21,000? That is very, very possible. But let's have a look at the time frames right now and the shorter time. Okay, so first of all, we do have a support right here. Okay, we did break that. Okay, that's number one. We broke this very, very key important level. Okay, the other support that we have is right here, which is we are above it. Okay, so in between these lines is we are between a strong resistance and a strong support. So whichever one breaks first is going to be the creation of a new trend, in my opinion. If we have a look at the moving average, the exponential moving average, we are right now below it, which is a very, very bad and negative sign. If we have a look at the moving average, we are below the 200 moving average as well, which is the blue line right here, and it's a very, very bad and negative sign. It's not the most bullish sign in my opinion, but that being said, we're gonna have to see what happens, okay? Because I'm not predicting anything, but we have to see what happens really in the near future. But another thing I want to have a look at is the Elliott wave. This is the 1 wave, 2 waves, 3 waves, 4 waves, 5 waves. Can we see something like that? Can we see the fourth wave come back all the way to 44, 45,000? Now, it's kind of interesting, the 45,000 before coming back all the way down. And the reason why is because the 45,000 level is not only the support level right here where the yellow line is, but it's where the exponential moving average is, and it's where the 200 moving average is. So we have three levels, three indicators that are telling us that Bitcoin will come back to 45,000, 44,100, and come back to this resistance area right here, this very strong resistance. But the thing is, when we come back, are we going to break above it, or are we going to come and get rejected? So that's a very, very important question to ask ourselves, and this is why you have to put a stop loss. This is why in my last Ethereum video that I had the trade setup, I put a very, very tight stop loss because I knew we were in danger with this pattern right here. So things are going to be very, very interesting, of course. And of course, guys, accumulate. This is the best time when the market is dumping. This is the best time to buy. Let's have a look at Veracity VRA, guys. Veracity VRA. Let's have a look on the weekly time frame. What can we see over here? What can we do? So first of all, we are seeing a double top. Yes, we are seeing a double top right here, bearish. But the thing is, we have a neckline all the way down here. If Veracity managed to break above this, which I don't think will happen, but if we do break below, that's going to be very, very bad in my opinion, and we could see a bear market not only for Veracity but for crypto. And if it does reach below this level, then Bitcoin will, I'm assuming Bitcoin will dump as well. The reason why I start with Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is king. He is the leader. And if Bitcoin dumps, then the whole market dumps. So this is why, in my opinion, if we manage to break below this level, then no doubt Bitcoin's going to be at probably $28,000. But are we seeing a massive, massive cup and handle right here on Veracity? Assuming that Bitcoin's not done and we are just in a small correction because we've been going up, are we in a cup and handle pattern? Let's have a look. If we manage in the next couple of weeks to stay above this area right here and we consolidate it and then start to go up by November 26th, that would be a confirmation for a cup and handle pattern. Now, assuming that it is, and we put it at the breakout, we could see VRA go as high as 8.5 cents, guys. 8.5 cents. Assuming you buy from right here, okay, and you go all the way to 8.5 cents, guys, that's 200% gain. That is fantastic, fantastic gain. Of course, another thing that I wouldn't be surprised that would happen is that we see a double bottom, okay? That's another scenario. Assuming that this is support and we don't go below this, we could see a W pattern, something like that. Now, W patterns are very, very, very bullish. And the target would approximately be the same, 8.5 cents. Now, the second we do 8.5 cents, we should be going parabolic from here. But at the end of the day, everything depends on Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.